Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. Knives are used widely in kitchens for cutting fruits, vegetables, and meat. Knife sharpness reduces over time, and you have to put forth extra effort to care for your blades. The sharpening stone is one of the best long-term tools for your kitchen. Sharpening stones are easy to hide away and convenient to pull out for quick use. It is not easy to find the right knife sharpener because you have to be aware of different grains, sizes, and other important factors. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of knife sharpening stone on the market. If you're looking for more information about the products, you can find it in the description below. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5.